If you want to find your lost Apple Watch by using your iPhone, you can for sure do that. You will have to open the watch application on your iPhone and now click on the all watches. If you have multiple Apple Watches connected to the same iPhone and account, all you have to do is just to simply click on this information icon next to the Apple Watch that you are looking for. Then you will be you will have to scroll down, click on the Find My, and now you will be simply redirected into the Find My application. And here you can, for example, play a sound. Now as you can see, it's playing on my Apple Watch, but I just simply mute all of those sounds, so this is the reason why you cannot hear that loud. And here we can also find some other options with lost Apple Watch, lost mode, some notifications like notify when found. We can erase the Apple Watch, or for example, we can just turn on some location on your iPhone. In my case is turned off, so this is the reason why I cannot see anything on my Find My. There is no even preview of the maps, but once you actually turn it on, you will actually be able to find it and use, for example, the directions. So that's basically everything. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment.